My name is Rodney Camper. I've been living in Cambridge, Maryland for 47 years. I'm a cement mason and a concrete finisher. I've been in the trade for over 20 years. What I love about being in the trades the most is that it builds a person's self-esteem. Once you learn something, can't nobody take it from you. I just fell into it, really. I just tried it, and then I just fell in love with it.
We've been trying to really get the trades and everything from the community. We're working in conjunction with the Boys and Girls Club. That will capture what happened in the educational experience between 1952 and 1969.
I have more connection to this project. I got history here. I went to school here in 6th grade to the 8th grade. I believe this is going to be a big influence to this community. Well, you can look at it as like a beacon of hope for the people. The different trades that's going to be on this site here is carpenters, plumbers, masons, concrete guys, which that's where I fall in at. They said they got a lot of great things that they had planned for this building. So I just can't wait to see.
The mission is to preserve the building, to inspire the community, and to empower the community.
What I love about my job is to be able to pass on a trade to any young person that want to learn. I'm always willing to share what I know to better anybody's life. And if I got a trade that it can help them, succeed in life, I want to be able to provide that. The trades helped me in my life is kept me out of the streets, gave me a different perspective on life.
What really excites me is that it's a building that you can see, that you can speak to it, and you begin to see the history and what people have endured, but yet they continue. If we can start seeing what the past was like, it becomes a monument.
When this job is completed, I'm gonna feel gratitude. That now they got something for the youth. I would tell somebody who's going in the trade to love what you do, take pride in what you do, and always do your best.